Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Big Al here.
It's Alex.
Nick.
With Epoxy ETC, and we're bringing you a very special promotion this month. Our Rock Hard USA 100% solids epoxy resin this month is going for $150 instead of $175.
And right now, when you take 12 kits, you're going to get 2 boxes of flake for free. If you take 24, you get 4 boxes. And take a full pallet, you're getting 6 boxes of flake free.
And if you don't want the flake, if you buy a pallet, you can also choose to get a free dust control 2900. It's great for running hand grinders on, 114 CFM, weighs 35 pounds, 110 volt. It comes with the floor tool, the 16-foot hose, and it has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as long as you change the filters every 300 hours. You get this for free if you buy a pallet.
Also, last thing I want to say, you can't mix and match promotions. So if you choose the 6 boxes of flake, then you can't choose this. It's one or the other. And so just call the number below to speak with one of us, get pricing, and any more details that you want. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.